Welcome to MSV Infosolutions, where we believe in providing one solution with infinite possibilities for your business. We are your trusted partner for comprehensive technology services. We safeguard your premises with advanced security solutions, from high-definition CCTV to robust access control systems, ensuring peace of mind around the clock. Our IT infrastructure services ensure seamless connectivity and reliable networks, powering your operations with cutting-edge technology and robust data management. Transform learning and collaboration with our smart AV solutions, featuring interactive displays and immersive video conferencing for modern educational and corporate environments. Streamline your operations with our custom software and ERP systems, designed to enhance efficiency, manage resources, and drive growth for your organization. Experience the future with our automation and safety solutions, integrating smart controls for lighting, access, and comprehensive fire alarm systems for ultimate protection. Our dedicated team provides end-to-end service, from expert installation and proactive support to meticulous maintenance, ensuring your systems always perform optimally. MSV Infosolutions is committed to helping you secure your future, automate your processes, connect your world, and grow your potential. Contact us today to discover how our integrated solutions can transform your business. Visit our website or call us to request a consultation.